how to make a tassel for a scarf. So, grab your yarn, and you're going to cut it to any size that you want. And once you have that first strand, you'll be using that to cut the other strands for reference. Make sure you line up your strands as evenly as possible so that they all can be the same size. You can use a lot of strands, or you can use a few like I did. I used 4 because once you fold them in half, it's going to be double the initial amount of strands for your project. Then, once you have all of your strands, you're going to try to get them as even as possible. And you're just going to fold them in half. So once you get to the middle part, go ahead and grab your project, and then you're going to push your hook right through the spot that the yarn is going to go through to make the tassel. And then you're just going to grab the pieces that are folded in half right through the middle and then pull it through the hole. Going to leave a little gap, try to have it big enough that you can fit your fingers through, because that's where you're going to be pulling the leftover strands that are hanging out so that you can actually form the shape of the tassel. All the way through, and then you're just going to pull it as tightly as you can. Not too tight because you don't want to ruin the project. And that is pretty much it. And then you can just keep going like that. If you want, you can cut it shorter, you can keep it long, you can add more, or even have less. And that is